Turning the engine on A17DTC. All turning good, all compression complete, and on the front all looking good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. On this side all looking good as well. I didn't see any damages. 13 meter looking good, compressor looking good as well, and on the top all looks good, no damage, no broken. On the back side all looks good as well. The gearbox looking good. And on this side all looking like so. I didn't see any damages as well. Started looking good, and underneath all looks good. Turning the engine A17DTC. Thank you.